Mama. Happy birthday. May you have an amazing birthday.
And the birthday be special as you are.
So for that, we have
A
gift for you. Hope you like it. Bye.
फूलों ने अमृत का जाम भेजा है, सूरज ने गगन से सलाम भेजा है। मुबारक हो आपको आपका जन्मदिन, तहे दिल से हमने पैगाम भेजा है। क्रांति, विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर। हमेशा खुश रहो, मुस्कुराती रहो और हमें अपनी उंगलियों पे नचाती रहो। मिस यू डार्लिंग, वी मिस यू वेरी मच। अगर साथ होते तो ज़्यादा मज़ा करते, बट कोई बात नहीं, जब लॉकडाउन ख़त्म होगा तो हम लोग खूब मस्ती करेंगे, खूब मज़ा करेंगे। हाय क्रांति, विशिंग यू अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। मे यू कंटिन्यू टू वाइन एंड शाइन like our Dine Wine and Shine group. Have a blessed and wonderful year ahead. Love you.
Hi Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday. Have lots of fun, masti and full to dhamal. We'll party soon.
Happy birthday, Kranti. Enjoy your life. Stay the way you are, okay? Love you. Love you too.
Hi Kranti, wishing you very happy birthday. The most fantastic, chilled out, beautiful, gorgeous Kranti. Wishing you best year today and always. And yes, many more birthdays to come so that we can have our own little parties. Mwah. Enjoy your day.
Hi darling, how are you? I miss you. Wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. And I wish you get everything in your life. I wish if I would have been there, I would have kissed you, I would have hugged you, we would have cut your birthday cake. I still remember your last year birthday, and we all were there together. We had good time, we had fun, we were together, and I really miss those time. I wish and I hope that we should meet soon. Darling, enjoy your birthday, keep smiling. You're a gorgeous, beautiful, sweetest, cutest, most important person of my life. I really, really, really miss you. My dear sweetheart, my dear darling, my dearest friend. I don't know. Right now, I just want to give you a big hug and a kiss to you. Just want to feel that what I'm feeling right now. I hope you can understand. I miss everything. I miss those days. I miss those time. I miss those period. We will meet soon. We will cut your cake. We'll have good time once again. Love you. Miss you. Wish you a very happy birthday and enjoy your birthday. Have fun. Love you.
Hey Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday, and you are such a fantastic mom, a wonderful wife, and a complete yaro ka yaar. Love partying with you, love hanging out with you, and I think I see a lot of me in you because we have hit it off from the word go. So let's keep partying, let's keep meeting up, and let's enjoy this wonderful bond that we share. Have a very happy birthday. Love you. Bye.
Hi Kranti, wish you a happy birthday dear. Wish you many happy returns of the day. Have a great day.
Hey babes, as they say, the best memories come from the bad ideas done with your best friends. So keeping in with that, here's to us as we get younger, laughing at our silly jokes, dealing with all stupid people, and still keeping each other sane. Happiest happy birthday, darling. Enjoy your day. Have a rocking year ahead. Surely we'll be missing meeting each other and celebrating this birthday together. But all our hearts and wishes are with you. I love you, my darling, my beautiful friend. Bye. Take care.
Kranti, the best thing about you, which I love, is that you're effortlessly yourself all the time. No double faces, no marks, and you don't need that too because you are lovely inside out. एक कोट याद आ रहा है जो मैं इस समय कहना चाहूँगी that when you are young you get impressed by the intelligence, and as you age you value kindness more, and that's the reason people of all ages love you because you are a beautiful blend of both and much 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 more. So wishing you a very 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 happy birthday with lots of fun, love, laughter, joy and good health. Thank you.
हाय क्रांती, मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे. तुझ्यासारख्या मनापासून जोरदार हसणाऱ्या व्यक्ती आता एक्सटिंक्ट व्हायला लागल्या आहेत, त्यामुळे तुला निदान 100 वर्ष जगणं गरजेचं आहे. आणि मला तुझं हसणं सतत ऐकायला खूप आवडेल. कधी एकदा करोना संपतोय आणि तुझं हसणं प्रत्यक्ष ऐकतेय असं झालं आहे. वन्स अगेन मेनी मेनी हॅपी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे, and thank you Saisha for giving me an opportunity to wish Kranti like this.
Wishing you an awesome day, my dearest, craziest Kranti. Life with you is always a riot. How I wish I could be there to give you a tight hug on this special day of yours. But nevertheless, वो दिन भी वापस आएंगे. Remember, तुम्हारे terrace पे बैठकर we used to have so much of fun. Those heart-to-heart talks till the wee hours of the morning. क्या दिन थे वो भी. I love you so much. Cheers to our friendship. And may you grow so old that the devil gets frustrated waiting for you. Love you, dear darling. Have a great day.
Hi Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday, dear. On your birthday there has to be special birthday wishes. So thank you. Thanks to Saisha for making this special videos for you. And precious moments with good friends are treasure of life, Kranti. And thanks for making me rich, dear. With you there are 3 things which come in my mind, and it's like countless memories, lovely cherishing and happy moments, and our naughty pics which are like I treasure it always. And on your birthday a शायरी from me, dear. आपको ना ऊपर से गिराया गया है ना आपको कहीं से टपकाया गया है. कहाँ मिलते हैं आप जैसे दोस्त, आपको तो ऑर्डर देके बनवाया गया है. Love you.
Kranti, a very happy birthday to you. God bless you, and you are a wonderful person, and I'm blessed to have you in my life. And what else to tell you? Keep rocking, keep glowing, and be mine. You're a very hot and sexy girl, and who doesn't want to have a friend like you? So God bless you.
Hey Kranti, happy birthday, you totally badass woman. Normally I'd say too bad it's a pandemic, but you are such a rock star. I'm sure even in the middle of this, you're going to have a totally amazing birthday. And please have a couple of drinks on my behalf as well. And when this is over, hopefully we should catch up and we should all party. Bye.
गळ्यात साखली सोन्याची ही पोरी कोणाची, इसकी हंसी हमारा दिल ले गई, ही पोरी कोणाची. लव यू क्रांती. अगदी झक्कास बर्थडे व्हायला पाहिजे हा.
Hey Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday. Keep smiling, keep rocking, and keep making jackass entries at the parties, like the one you did in little black dress during Sankranti function at my home. Take care, have lots of fun, enjoy to the fullest, and see you at Mumbai. Till then, ta-ta.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kranti. God bless you with the best health, wealth and happiness in the world. क्रांति, मैंने 2 लाइन कहीं पढ़ी थी जो कि तेरे पे बिल्कुल फिट होती है. समुंदर से सीखा है मैंने जीने का सलीका, समुंदर से सीखा है मैंने जीने का सलीका, चुपचाप से बहना और अपनी मौज में रहना. आई लव यू क्रांति. गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Hi Kranti, happy birthday dear. May all your birthday wishes and dreams come true. Stay the way you are. Love you.
Hi Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday dear. तुम्हारा जो खिलखिला के हंसना, ये इतना अच्छा लगता है सबको। इसी तरह हंसती रहो, दिल से हंसती रहो, दिल से सब काम करो और खूब खुश रहो। हैप्पी बर्थडे डियर, लव यू फ्रॉम कोर ऑफ माई हार्ट। हैप्पी बर्थडे वंस अगेन।
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kranti. Happy birthday to you. Hi Kranti. Wish you a very very happy birthday. Have a happening year ahead. Mwah.
Hi Kranti, wishing you a very happy birthday and fabulous year ahead. We haven't met for quite long and ऊपर से ये कोरोना. Let's hook up on the Zoom call or WhatsApp call and let's meet as soon as this corona crisis goes. Thank you.
Hey, happy birthday Kranti. Have a good day. Miss us loads. Enjoy yourself.
Hello Ruchi. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You are a wonderful soul. You are so attractive. Remain healthy, pretty and attractive all your life. We all love you, Ruchi.
Hi Kranti, wishing you a very happy birthday dear. On this day, wish you lots of love my dear. This year looks like we all have to celebrate our birthday during quarantine, but you don't miss out the chance. I'm sure Anurag and kids will definitely make your day. You enjoy your day to the fullest. I'm glad that we became good friends. I just love your sweet smile and you're a very kind-hearted friend for me. I wish you love, hope and everlasting joy and happiness to you dear. Wishing you once more a very happy birthday. You enjoy your day and have a wonderful year ahead.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Bhabhi.
Have a great day.
Hi Kranti, wish you many happy returns of the day dear. I wish you loads of luck, happiness, prosperity, good health. Stay blessed and I'm very fortunate to be your friend. Thanks for being there in my life. Have a wonderful, memorable, great birthday. Love you lots.
Happy birthday to the most amazing person. Bhabhi, may God bless you with everything and I love you with all my heart and may you have everything you always wish for.
Hey Kranti, wish you a very very happy birthday. Stay blessed dear and may you get all the happiness you desire. Let's catch up soon once this things gets normalized. We'll party hard. You take care and God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sister.
Hi Kranti, many happy returns of the day. Hope your birthday brings a new revolution and destroys this virus so that we can all catch up again. Just enjoy to fullest.
Wish you a very happy birthday, dear Bena. May God bless you. Thanks a lot for your support and help. Thank you. Enjoy your day. Have a wonderful year ahead. Bye. See you.
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kranti. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Kranti. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Kranti auntie.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kranti.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Kranti. May God bless you with lots of love and happiness.
Happy birthday, Kranti. Enjoy and stay safe. Bye-bye.
Lovely lockdown birthday.
Hey Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday. Have a wonderful day and a happy and a lovely year ahead. Stay blessed.
Hello Ruchi. Many happy returns of the day. Wish you a happy birthday. Enjoy your day. You are a wonderful soul. You are so attractive. Remain healthy, pretty, and attractive all your life. We all love you, Ruchi.
विश यू हैप्पी बर्थडे रुचि। तुम हमेशा ऐसे ही मुस्कुराती रहो, खुश रहो, स्वस्थ रहो और ऐसे अपनी हंसी को बखेरती रहो।
Ruchi, we wish you many, many happy returns of the day. We also wish you a very happy and a healthy life. God bless you. Thank you. Great day for you. Thank you.
Okay, bye.
Bye.
Hi, Kranti.
विश यू वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
क्रांति, तुमको जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत बधाई हो और ईश्वर करे तुम बहुत कामयाब हो और तुमको बहुत बहुत सब लोग प्यार करते हैं। हम सब लोग तुमको बहुत प्यार करते हैं एंड तुम्हारी हंसी हमेशा पूरे ग्रुप में एक अलग ही छाप छोड़ती है और तुमको बहुत बहुत आशीर्वाद क्रांति। लॉट्स ऑफ लव।
टेक केयर।
गॉड ब्लेस यू।
Happy birthday. Have a fantabulous day. Blessed are those who have the gift of a good friend. You are no doubt an amazing one. You are someone who cares for her friends without hesitation. And you make my life a whole lot happier and a whole lot brighter. Thank you for being in my life. Hope your birthday is as wonderful as you are. Enjoy your birthday to the fullest and miss us thoda sa. We are missing you बहुत ज़्यादा. Love you.
Hi Kranti, wishing you a very happy birthday. Kranti, you are a person who's always full of energy.
A crazy ball of energy.
You have the capability to make any party fun, exciting.
Yes, your vibrant zeal has always lightened up our moods and our lives.
May your life be full of sunshine, happiness,
laughter and cheers.
And lots of success in life.
We wish you a very happy birthday once again. Love you, Kranti.
Bye.
Hi, Kranti.
Hi Kranti, wish you a very happy birthday. Lots of happiness, love and laughter in this 2020.
God bless you.
Happiest birthday Kranti.
Happy birthday, Kranti.
I still remember the fun we had in US, especially the crazy night at Vegas when we went to the Sapphire Club, did the limo ride and made those goras fool.
Yeah, it was some time and it's been a long time that we haven't met. Come over to Guwahati. या हम लोग बॉम्बे आते हैं, खूब मस्ती करेंगे.
Yeah, and stay lively, bubbly, jolly, attractive and stylish the way you are.
Keep posting your pics.
Yeah.
Happy
Have fun
birthday
and
once
happy
again.
Happiest birthday, dear Kranti. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Kranti. The most revolutionary woman of Lakshmi, the most beautiful woman of Goregaon, the Deepika Padukone of Goregaon. May you always stay blessed, happy, healthy and in peace.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kranti. Happy birthday to you. Bol happy birthday Kranti Maushi.
Happy birthday,
Kranti Maushi.
Love you.
Love you.
Kisde? Love you, baby.
Love you, baby.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
अरे ये 27 साल का जोड़ है, ये टूटेगा नहीं, और ये तेरे लिए, ये दोस्ती हम नहीं छोड़ेंगे, छोड़ेंगे दम मगर तेरा साथ ना छोड़ेंगे.